want you to picture yourself 1 year from today. So you have two choices here. The first choice is that you still don't have a YouTube channel because you kept waiting and procrastinating, right? Or number two is that you have 50 videos, new skills, confidence, and maybe even your first community. Speaking of, if you want to join my community down below, please tap the link. We have a lot of people in there from all over the world who are over 50, started a channel just like you. So let's get down to the beginning. People always think, I'll start when I retire. Well, I'm not retired yet, but I still am doing videos. This is my fourth channel, just to let you guys know. So I haven't retired yet. And if you have, really, there is really no excuse to not start, because I know you have time now, right? Even if you're not retired, it's still a great idea to have a YouTube channel because you can learn things. Remember, people come to YouTube to solve problems. They want their problems solved, and you probably have solutions, right? Then people say sometimes, I'll start after my vacation. Well, no, that's too late. Maybe after Christmas. No, Thanksgiving, no. And then what happens, next year comes and you are 1 year older, you still haven't started it yet. That doesn't make sense. Time doesn't care if you're ready or not. It keeps moving away. We know this, guys. We wake up, oh my gosh, I'm already 40. I'm already 50. I'm already 60. I am already 70. And what did I do with my time? YouTube is not an exclusive club. You can do this as well, right? Because 1 year from now, you'll either be saying, gosh, I'm glad I started. I'm glad I'm in Mitch's community. We're talking in there. We're sharing, learning ideas. We're going back and forth. Or you'll say, I wish I would have started last year when that Mitchell guy was telling me to start last year, right? You don't want to do this. When I started YouTube, I thought no one was going to watch, right? I didn't even know if anybody was going to watch my channel. I didn't know if I was going to make $1. I just knew that if I didn't try, I would always wonder, right? You will regret never trying. Why do you think so many people have their own channel? You think it takes some PhD to do a channel or some advanced degree? No, it doesn't. It takes tenacity and the willingness to do it. Make yourself different from everybody else. You don't want to be part of the thousands who regret not getting into their own channel. It doesn't make any sense to wait. Yes, you have something to offer. I tell this all the time in my coaching. I tell this all the time in my community down below. By the way, get into our community. It's an awesome community, international. It can help you. I'm there every Friday at 4 o'clock. You guys, we can do this together, right? Imagine you have 50 videos, right? For 1 year from today, and you have this awesome channel of yours. People are subscribing, right? So that means 50 opportunities for people to find you, 50 opportunities for you to help somebody else, 50 opportunities to build something you never had today. Your future self in 2027 is watching you right now in 2026. Don't disappoint them. Why would you do that, right? Doesn't make any sense. Myself, oh my gosh, such a long time ago now, right? But myself 7 years ago, I said, I want to start this today. I did it 7 years ago. So in 2019, I started my channel. And now today, 2026, I have 4 channels, right? And so you get better every time. You start to really enjoy it. It really becomes yours. You guys, if you want help with your channel, help with understanding how it works, how to do it, how to build it, right? If you want to talk to like-minded people, over 50, some are retired, some are not, right? If you want to talk to like-minded people, get into my community down below in the description. It's awesome, okay? So take care, you guys, and please, you see the hat, follow it.